In this video, I will be trading options on the stock market. Now, I will be paper trading, which is to say simulation trading, not using real money. But for this video, I just kind of want to start out. I'm a beginner, and I want to sort of see what a blank canvas of trading looks like. Now, I've traded in the past. I've traded options as well as stock in the past, and I've done a little bit here and there, and I've had successful days and I've had crashing days. And I want to hone and refine my process and sort of learn the proper way of doing things. And so what that means for me is starting out and going day by day and just sort of tracking the progress as I go along. As I mentioned, this will be paper trading, simulation trading. So any wins or gains that I take will not actually be wins or gains because it is fake money played against the real market. And then any losses that I take will also not matter because it's not real money. With that being said, we've got about 7 minutes left. Let's look at the chart right here that I'm kind of scoping out. I love to either work with or watch QQQ, which is the Nasdaq, because it shows a picture of how our stock market is doing overall. As I said, I'm still a beginner in all of this, and I am learning the process. So bear with me as we go through this, and hopefully we'll learn something today. Here we are looking at the chart, the overnight chart. That's what this blue rectangle is. That's the overnight chart for QQQ. You can see that in the upper left-hand corner of my screen right there. Over here on the left-hand side, there is a menu. And so I'm going to go down here to this little dollar sign that says paper trading. We're going to click on that. And here we are in the paper trading setup. Now, I set this up myself. Whenever you set up for paper trading, it normally gives you $1 million to trade with. Well, I'm not trading with $1 million because that is unrealistic for me. So something more realistic would be $1,000. I set mine at $1,000. When I do go to trade for real, it will probably start with $1,000. If you wanted to change that and trade with a higher or lower amount, you can simply click that reset button and it will let you put in the dollar amount that you want and press reset. I think you can only do that once every minute or 2 minutes. And so this will be a great picture to see how well I do today in terms of trading options. Now, trading options is way, way, way more risky than trading the normal underlying stock. And that is because the options can go to zero. So you can lose all of your money in a very short period of time if you're not careful or if you don't know what you're doing. Hey, I don't know what I'm doing today. And so we're going to see how we do. Maybe we'll gain something and it'll be totally luck, or maybe we'll lose something and it'll be totally bad luck. I do have this book right here that I've been reading called Understanding Options. It is a little bit older of a book, but it explains how options work and why they work the way they do. And so I'm learning through that. It's the day trading side of things that I'm really trying to get used to and learn from. So the market opens in 6 minutes, and so we'll get the trading at that point. All right, guys, here we are. We're on QQQ. We've got the options down below. We've got our $1,000 starting point. We are about 14 minutes into the market, just trying to figure out and get like a feel for what direction it is going. Like I said, I'm very, very much a beginner, and so not quite sure. And we're going to just kind of feel this out. And, you know, with anything, practice makes progress, right? It doesn't make you perfect, but it makes progress. And so I'm gonna try to have some progress on this. It looks like it's for the most part trying to trend downward. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab one option out of the money here, and I'm gonna buy, let's just say 2 options. We'll click that and we'll see where we go. All right, so we bought 2 options. We are $4 in the hole of fake money. A great start to this experiment and seeing how we do. So we're $10 in the hole. Pretty awesome. Close our position. We'll cut those losses. Let's get out of that quick. 2 call options, 1 option out of the money. We purchased them, and wouldn't you know, wouldn't luck have it that it is starting to go down. So we're down on this one as well. I love this. This is such an exciting thing. And I'm very grateful that I don't have real money in this right now. It's play money. It's fake money. It's fun. And, you know, putting 20 minutes into this every day is a nice little rush without actually feeling the pain of losing dollars. So overall for the day, we are down $22. Now, it seems like if you were to use indicators, it seems like we're sort of hitting lower lows each time this bounces, which signifies a downtrend. So why did I buy calls? At this point, I'm incredibly unsuccessful at this, and that's good to know. You win or you learn. So let's draw a couple trend lines. I didn't want to do this, but let's just kind of see where this is going here. We see that trend line there. We're going to grab another one, and we're going to go from like right here is where we saw the first big drop. And I might be drawing these wrong. We'll see. That's pretty consistently selling off. That's not fantastic. So unless we see, I think it's 2 candles breaking out above this, we know that this is going to continue going down. Understanding that, I'm going to wait till this 1 candle. Let's actually look at the 5-minute chart on this as well. It's holding pretty consistent to the downside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy, all I can afford at this point are two options here. I'm going to buy them, and I'm just going to hold and see how it plays out. And we'll see if we make our money back. There we go. Big drop. It's a big drop. We're recovering some of our losses here. I'm going to close this position and call it a day. Here's why. We're walking away right now with, that was a 39% gain on that one trade, and we're down $38 for the day. I mean, it's continuing to go. I could probably have left it in there, but here's the deal. Through this video, you've watched me fail over and over and over, and then in that small recovery, fail a little bit less. That's what I want to focus on. I don't want to get, wow, it is dropping like crazy right now. What just happened? I probably should have left it in, and I would have more money right now. Anyways, I'm going to stop. Total loss on the day, $38. After being down over, what was it, 120, 116, something like that. Stop now, right? So I'm trying to teach myself daily to just chill out, stop now, and see where we can go from there. I'll be back tomorrow to make another paper trading video, and I'm going to keep doing this until I figure out the process. Hopefully, if you watch along with me, you'll figure out the process as we go along as well. Once again, I appreciate you watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any jokes, memes, or advice, you guys want to say anything, comments are open. Thanks for watching.